Namaskar and welcome to In Samachar. I am Anshi Srivastav and today we will talk about Ramnagar's Ram Leela. Everybody who thinks that change is the only constant, a trip to Ramnagar in month leading to Dussehra would be an eye-opener. Led by the local Maharajas of Banaras, revered as Kashi Naresh, the town plays host to Ram, Sita, Lakshman and other characters of Ramayana, in the form of amateur actors who perform the epic in minute detail across localities with names such as Lanka, Ashok Vatika and Janakpuri every evening for 30 days. This is different from more familiar Ram Leelas that are performed across all North India, mostly on a single stage during Navratra. Ramnagar, a boat ride from the ghats of Varanasi, has evolved as a reimagination of the Ramayana and even boasts a pond called Ganga. Its Ram Leela, organized by the royal family, is the grandest in the country and practically unchanged from the time the first performance was held in the 1830. This means there are no electrical lights. People mostly sit on rough ground to watch, and trying to get a cell phone photograph could result in one being loudly reprimanded by public or palace guards. The largest moving theatre performance in India with a UNESCO Intangible Heritage tag, the Ram Leela attracts lakhs of audience from villages as well as scholars and stage professionals from across the country. This year, the pandemic has forced Ramnagar ki Ram Leela to do what it has always resisted: change. It is an old art form. Ramnagar ki Ram Leela is dated to 1830 from a lithography by colonial administrator called James Prinsep, which is present in the British Library in London. But even a casual look at the work of crowds on foot, horseback on elephants watching the Ravana Dahan demonstrate that the Ram Leela was already popular when Prinsep witnessed it. According to folklore and local belief, the Ram Leela was not started by Maharaja Udit Narayan Singh, who was the ruler in the 1830s, but by his great-grandfather Maharaj Balwant Singh in the mid-18th century. The scale of the performance may have expanded and the world may have become tech-savvy, but the old ways of Ramnagar ki Ram Leela can still draw a houseful crowd after a few centuries. Ram Leela is performed by men only, with the pure young boys playing Swarups, the role of Ram, his brother and Sita being selected from Brahmin families after an extensive audition attended by the king and the palace officials. For 2 months, they live with the scholars of the epics, spend several hours studying the Ramayana and are trained in the various gestures and vocal skills needed for their roles. The boys are carried on their shoulders of the Ram Leela workers and their feet do not touch the floor. People crowd around for their darshan every evening after the performance and touch their feet for blessings. After the Ram Leela, they are returned to their families and a life much less divine. The largest moving theatre performance in India with a UNESCO Intangible Heritage tag, the Ram Leela attracts lakhs of audience from villages as well as scholars and stage professionals from across the country. The audience too is driven by a habit of generations. Some of the people who come carrying the things that their grandfathers used to bring to watch the performances, such as walking sticks, the atar holder, the lota or ancestral copy of the Ramcharitramanas. It is an annual ritual to be a part of the Ram Leela every evening. The challenge of the present is the COVID-19 pandemic. The coronavirus had reduced this grand ritualistic performance to a reading of Tulsidasa's Ramcharitramanas in a temple in Janakpuri, the paternal home of Sita in Ram Leela. The present Maharaja of Banaras, Anant Narayan Singh, tested positive for COVID-19 on September 18 and was admitted to a hospital in Gurugram. Though recovered, he prefers to observe strict social distancing. When Ramayans or scholars recite the form of Ramcharitramanas in the evenings, the king drives down wearing a simple dhoti kurta. There is an emptiness in the palace and on the roads such as the town has not seen for several generations. That is all that we have for you today. For more such news updates, log on to www.insamachar.com. This is Anshi Srivastav signing off. Namaskar.